spending all this while we're driving. All the way to the wedding and everything.
He's so big you can shut the hood and never notice it's there.
Right. Pull it faster, Gangster's warm in here.
Alright, so it's all fun and good, but we need to get back to work. Clock's ticking. Let's go.